Hey guys, I'm here with another update. Over the past week or so, we've got a lot of the electrical done. So we added a bunch of light fixtures based on the new design. One above the kitchen, one above the dining area. A couple, we of course left the ones that were in the hallways, added another one for the living room. We started the heating system already, so running new heaters, water baseboard heaters. The upstairs has been already finished. We've got the materials. So those would be the materials to replace this 2-column post here. We're going to replace it with a half wall, 7 feet in the middle, and then a header at the top to support the weight of the roof. Then, as you can see here, all the new electrical throughout, new outlets. We positioned the new ones where they should be. Everything in here as well. And most of the heaters are in place. Unless you want to be in the video. So there's that. Downstairs. Yeah, so I'm interested in seeing, like, so he used the what seems to be regular PEX here instead of the one extra thick special one for heating. Those they look like the normal.
I think that is the.
You think so?
I think that is the thick stuff, and the white stuff is your regular packs.
No, they come in 3 colors. They come in white, blue, and red, and then there's a special one which is gray for the heating. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
They have different colors, especially so you can actually mark hot water, cold water kind of thing.
Yep.
White is just the generic one if you don't care.
Yeah.
And then, as far as I know, the gray stuff is supposed to be. Yeah.
It's rated for.
Good morning. It's getting colder. About 10 degrees now. And downstairs we got the double walls, support walls, right here, and this one here. We're getting ready to remove the main load-bearing wall here. Yeah, the framing throughout is all done. And we've got here the crack is filled and drying, and yeah, all the framing is done. So yeah, you can see the pipes running through here. It's interesting. Okay, so he looked it all the way back there. Okay. Yeah, that's the one running from the back of the house here. It goes straight up through the heater, back down, looping all the way around. So, nothing crazy really, just a big loop around. I'll have a look at where he actually set this up. So that's where it all starts and goes through there, and yeah, that's where the loop ends on both sides here. And yeah, that's the quick update.